Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare green tea powder. First, gather your essential tools: a traditional matcha bowl, a bamboo whisk, and a small sifter. Next, ensure you have premium green tea powder for the best experience. Finally, heat fresh, filtered water to approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crucial for optimal flavor extraction without bitterness. These initial steps set the foundation for a perfect cup. Now, let's prepare the powder. Take 1 to 2 grams of green tea powder, which is roughly 1 to 2 scoops using a bamboo spoon, and sift it directly into your matcha bowl. This vital step breaks up any small clumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth, lump-free beverage. Then, gently pour about 2 ounces of your 175-degree Fahrenheit water over the sifted powder. This precise amount helps create a concentrated base. With the powder and water combined, it's time to whisk. Hold your bamboo whisk firmly and move it vigorously in a rapid W or M motion across the bottom of the bowl. The goal is to create a beautiful, frothy, bright green layer on the surface. Continue whisking for about 15 to 30 seconds until all clumps are gone and a fine foam appears. This technique is key to a delightful texture. Your perfectly prepared green tea powder is now ready to enjoy. Drink it immediately to experience its full, vibrant flavor and smooth, creamy consistency. Take a moment to appreciate the rich aroma and the subtle sweetness. Remember to clean your matcha bowl and bamboo whisk promptly after each use with warm water. Proper care ensures your tools last for many more delicious cups. Enjoy your mindful moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.